Arjun was a curious boy who loved stories. Every night, his grandmother would tell him tales of brave warriors, magical lands, and talking animals. Arjun enjoyed these stories, but there was one thing he wanted more than anything else: he wanted to tell stories in English. Arjun lived in a small town where most people spoke the local language. English was taught at school, but Arjun struggled with it. He found it hard to speak, and when he tried, he often made mistakes. He knew that if he could learn to tell stories in English, he would improve his language skills, but he didn't know how to start. One evening, after listening to another one of his grandmother's tales, Arjun said, "Grandma, I love your stories, but I want to learn how to tell stories in English. How can I do that?" His grandmother smiled and said, "Arjun, stories are not just words. They are a way to share thoughts, feelings, and ideas. If you want to learn English, you must start by using the words you already know. Practice telling simple stories first, and soon, you will be able to tell even the most amazing tales in English." Arjun thought about what his grandmother said. The next day, he decided to practice. He took a deep breath and started telling a simple story in English. Once upon a time, there was a cat. The cat liked to play in the garden. One day, the cat found a bird. The bird was sad. The cat asked, "Why are you sad?" At first, it felt strange for Arjun to tell a story in English. He struggled to find the right words, but he didn't stop. Every day, he told a new story. Some were short, some were funny, and some didn't make much sense, but Arjun was learning. He kept a notebook where he wrote down new words he learned from the stories he created. After a few weeks of practicing, Arjun felt more confident. He realized that storytelling helped him remember new English words and how to use them. He could now describe people, places, and events with more ease. His stories became longer, and he started adding more details. One day, Arjun's teacher announced that there would be a storytelling competition at school. Each student had to tell a story in English. Arjun was nervous but excited. He had been practicing for weeks, and now it was time to show what he had learned. On the day of the competition, Arjun stood in front of his classmates. He began his story. Once upon a time, there was a small village. In the village lived a brave boy named Rohan. Rohan loved adventures. One day, he decided to explore the forest near his village. As Arjun spoke, he realized that he wasn't just telling a story, he was sharing a part of himself. The words flowed more easily than they ever had before. When he finished, the class clapped, and his teacher smiled proudly. After the competition, Arjun's teacher said, "Arjun, your storytelling has improved so much. How did you learn?" Arjun smiled and said, "I practiced every day. I started with simple stories, and as I learned new words, I made my stories longer. I didn't worry about making mistakes. I just focused on sharing my ideas." His teacher nodded. That's the best way to learn a language. When you use the words you know and practice, you get better each time. From that day on, Arjun continued to tell stories in English. He realized that storytelling wasn't just a way to entertain people, it was also a powerful tool for learning. Through his stories, he not only improved his English but also discovered a new way to express himself. As time went by, Arjun's English became fluent. He could tell stories with confidence, and he even helped his friends improve their English by encouraging them to tell their own stories. Arjun understood that language learning is a journey, and storytelling is one of the best ways to make that journey exciting and fun. Learning a new language, like English, becomes easier when you practice using what you know.